Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. It is the Magical Mystery Bead Box for December. Came on time this month. I'm super excited. They said it's going to be really yummy, and I just can't wait to open it up. Oh, it is really yummy, and I haven't even looked yet. Although, the first thing I'm noticing is not on top. There's no card. Usually there's like a card that tells you everything that's in this box, so I'm wondering if they forgot to put it in this time, which is totally fine, but I love seeing those because they're very informative and they're usually pretty. But I'm seeing some gorgeous stuff. The first thing I saw is this, which I have some vintage chain that I've been hoarding for a very long time that kind of looks like this. So let's see if we can open it. I don't know the name of the box or anything. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. I hopefully everybody else got a card in there saying what it was, but if they didn't, no biggie. Sorry. I love this. I always want to use chain that looks like this, but I never have any, so I'm super excited about this. Love it. I actually have a few pendants from Jesse James Beads that this would really go with, so I'm excited to use this with that. So I reached out to Jesse James Beads to see what the theme of this month was because the card wasn't in my box, and they apologized because the card was supposed to be in there, and they said it's a really cool card, so they're going to send it to me. But the theme is Starry Night, and as we go through here, I kind of guessed that that was the theme because it's really gorgeous. But yeah, we'll take a look. The first thing I showed you already was this beautiful chain. It's my favorite chain I've seen in a long time. And then they also included this chain, which is so gorgeous. It's an enamel chain with these little drops. And I'm really excited that they're starting to carry this chain now because it's one of my favorite types. I have a few colors from Tucson a couple years ago, but now Jesse James Beads is custom dyeing their chain to match their beads, which is so awesome. I have an unboxing that I'm going to show you that has a couple of those colors coming up soon. Next thing I'm seeing is this Stardust mix. So I'll open it. I don't really want to, but I will because I want to keep everything together. So I'll have to find some little baggies. So we have a metal mix, which is really awesome. And I'm sure you're noticing this thing. I injured my hand, and that's also why I haven't been posting videos that are new. And I'm really upset because I was on like day 15 of my jewelry challenge and 10 videos left to do, and today is the 20th, so I'm 5 days behind now because of this injury, and it's just awful. But anyway, we had a metal mix in here, tons of little spacers. I just love them, and a couple bead caps too, and it's so many different colors. And you know, I love including metal, and I like doing mixed metal, so that's going to be perfect. I really like how those look with the blue chain. And then we have a crystal mix. Not really going to go through each one of these crystals, but they're so pretty, although I do really like these elongated bicones. But a mix of blues, white, black, some matte rounds. These are all so cool. Aren't those pretty? Ooh, and there's even like a disco ball in there. Very neat. Next, I am seeing a Starlight boho pair, and they're really pretty. Let's see. Look, this is kind of different than any boho pair we've ever seen. Look, there's a moon in it, and it's matte black. That is really cool. Okay, so normally I would say, yeah, let's make some earrings, but I want something that I can wear. So I'm thinking I'll put these on a stretch bracelet or something. That is a cool boho pair right there. Love those. Those are so awesome. Next we have like a pendant. It says Shine Bright. Oh, okay. It's a pendant a moon pendant, and then two earring findings, or two smaller pendants, two charms. I didn't see the second one of these in there. I thought that this was a pendant like that, which we could do that. We could hang the moon from the star, and then you can either glue an earring back, and then you could do like asymmetrical earrings or something, because we only have one moon, or you can make it a pendant. That's something I could possibly do. I love that. So cool. And then next, oh, really fun, like a Starry Night. What's this called? Starry Night he-she bead mix. So it is actually just called Starry Night, but it has every color. And the really cool thing is, last night I went to the Van Gogh exhibit in Phoenix, and it was so wonderful. And now I have this beautiful kit to remind me of it, even though that wasn't their intention. It's my intention to use this to give me a souvenir from that. That is so much fun. I love these colors together, like that yellow with the orange and the white and the blue and the purple. Oh, I love this. That is so cute. This, oh my gosh, this with that as the center point, the focal. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, we have a Moonstruck bead strand. So it's called Moonstruck. So we've got some moon glow beads. We've got a crystal, a big crystal. We've got some metal beads, more crystals, some spacers, a huge boho bead. Look at that big mama. Oh my, that is like almost golf ball size. It's beautiful. And then the repeat of the other beads. This would be pretty just as a bracelet like that. And that could be a reminder of my Starry Night visit too. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Then we have a couple more mixes, and oh my gosh, is this more chain? Let's see. It is more chain. It's oh my gosh, it's even prettier than this chain, which I thought this was absolutely stunning. Well, it is still absolutely stunning, but this is even prettier. Look at this chain. So it is glass or rhinestones or something, and then it's encased with an embossed like setting, and each one is linked by a jump ring. These are amazing. So this one's smaller, and then this one's a little bit larger. Oh my gosh, that is some pretty chain right there. Oh, I don't know, this whole kit is pretty amazing. Wow, they've had some fantastic boxes this year, but this one's kind of giving me all the love. I really love this box. So this one's called Aurora Borealis. And it's a beautiful mix. Oh my goodness, all the bright blues from Starry Night. And look, we have some mermaid glass. It glows. I love how mermaid glass glows. We've got some opaque blue crystals, some matte gray with a little bit of a mystic coating on it, some purple ovals, almost a metallic look. These guys are big uns. Oh, they're two different types. Okay, so we have this guy who's like a twisted rounded rectangle, I guess. And then we have these teardrops, which are really cool. Those look like little raindrops. Oh my gosh, look at these like scroll or S beads. I haven't seen those before. Those are neat, and they look like the swirls in Starry Night. And you know what? I would absolutely patina these to look like Starry Night more so than just keep them silver. So maybe that's something we can do. And then we have some potato chip spacers. I love these. Two big pearls, which actually arrived in really good condition. Sometimes when they're in those mixes, it's kind of hard. And then look, some check glass stars with an iridescent or AB finish. My gosh, those are adorable. And then we've got two, I call these like spaceship crystals because I love that shape. And then two chandeliers. These are beautiful. That is a jam-packed mix. Okay, so that was Aurora Borealis. And then last but not least is this Celestial mix. Okay, so let's see what's in here. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at those. I don't know if I have any disco crystals in that color. These are really cool. Oh my gosh. Does that scream Starry Night to you? It does to me. I want a whole strand of those. Look at those. These go so well with those S's. Oh my gosh, I love them. And then we've got 2 Shambhala beads. Oh, I love this style of the potato chip spacer. Sometimes it's hard to find that style. And it's a good gold. It's not bright macaroni and cheese yellow. We have some barrels. Some little stars. Oh my gosh, more stars. Look, they have a gold like spray coating on them. Oh my gosh, or a little luster. Those are so cute. And then we've got some half matte crystals. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's like a little opalite little drop. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, so this is my favorite mix in this box full of mixes. And then we've got these beautiful matte white stars with an AB. I'm loving all the check glass that they're putting in these. We've got some more crystals with AB on them. Oh wow, look at this guy. It's almost like a chaton, but it's not a chaton. It's like, I don't know, maybe it is a chaton, but it's not because it's drilled. It doesn't have silver on the back. Oh, we have some cat eye in baby blue. And then some matte blue and silver crystals. Is there anything else? Oh, I missed these guys. Are they're flower? Well, I think they're supposed to be stars, but they're like flower stars. They're cute little dangles. And then we have some crystal rondelle spacers. That was a jam-packed mix for being a tiny mix. I mean, it's not a mini mix. I don't know if it's a mini mix or a regular mix, but I don't care either way. It was beautiful. Okay, I love this box. One of the best boxes of the year. Surprisingly, because every box I say that, I feel like this year they really stepped it up. 2021 was Jesse James Bead's year, I think. And then, so my favorite mix was the Celestial. I love this. And I love, love, love this chain. But honestly, all of it really rocked my boat. I love it all. Thank you so much to Jesse James Beads. Here's to 2022. And let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? What would you do with some of this stuff? Oh, I can't forget these because these were super cool. Super duper cool. Okay, and which means speedy healing because I want to make the videos. I just can't because my hand hurts. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye.